morning, students. Today we are going to start the 7th lesson from your reader textbook. Okay, so what's the name of the chapter? That is the Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. It's quite interesting one because already you people have heard many stories of the Aladdin and his genie, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp. So now let's read and see about what is the lesson. I hope that you all are having a book because this chapter is quite long and you also have to do the thorough reading. Okay, now let's start. In one of the cities of China, once there lived a poor woman and her son. The son Aladdin helped her with the work of making clothes. Okay, so in one of the cities of China, this is the story of the place China. There was one city in China. There lived a poor woman with his son. Okay, that son, he don't have his father. They were living alone, only his mother and the son. The son Aladdin, what was the name of the son? The name of the son was Aladdin. Okay, Aladdin helped her with the work of making clothes. What work they used to do? They used to do the work of making clothes. They make clothes. Okay, one day as he was taking some finished clothes to someone in the next street, a man stopped him. He was well dressed and had big shining eyes. He looked at Aladdin closely. So one day what happens, when they were going to, when he was going to take some finished clothes to someone, okay, because they were doing the clothes of making clothes, doing the work of making clothes. So what the boy was doing, the boy used to transport, he used to deliver the finished clothes, made clothes, handmade clothes to the person who needs, or those who requires, or those who demand. So what the boy was doing, he was just going to deliver those things. Then suddenly what happened, that the man on the street, he just stopped him. Okay, and that man was quite well dressed, had a big shining eyes, and he looked at Aladdin closely, and very closely he looked Aladdin. He was staring him. Man, now just see that man, what he said, you must be the son of Ismail. What that man said, he said that you must be the son of Ismail. Now Aladdin, what he said, Ismail was my father's name, but he died long ago. And what Ismail, the boy, he gave the answer that Ismail was my father and he died now. So what was the name of the Aladdin's father? That is Ismail. Okay, did you know him? The boy asked the man that, did you know him? He was my brother. And that man, he gave the answer, he was my brother. That man said that he was my brother. Who was his brother? That is Ismail. I have come all the way from Morocco to see him. But it seems I am too late. And what that man said? He said that I am coming from Morocco to see him, but it seems that I am too late. I got late. Then Aladdin did not know that his father had a brother. His mother was also surprised when he took the man home, but she gave him food and some presents. Actually, that boy and his mother, they don't know that his father, he was also having his brother. Okay, but anyhow, when Aladdin just took that man to his home, then his mother, he gave him some food and some presents. Okay, as what we people also do, that when the guests used to come at our house, we used to serve them properly. In the same manner, Aladdin and his mother, they also served him. Now next page, turn the next page, that is page number 34. Uncle. Aladdin, I know I am too late to help my brother, poor brother, but I can help his son. And what that his uncle said, that Aladdin, I know I'm too late to help my brother. Means he was just feeling sorry that he was not able to help his brother. Then what he said, that anyhow I have not helped my brother, but I can help his son. Means he can help the Aladdin. Tomorrow you can show me the city. And what he said, that tomorrow you can show me the city. The day after, I'll buy you a shop and make you a merchant. And what he said, that tomorrow just take me to the city and show me, and I will buy you a shop and take you to the merchant and make you a merchant. What he said, that tomorrow I'll buy a shop for you and I'll make you a merchant. Merchant means the person who buy and sell goods in a bulk. The next day Aladdin took his uncle to the king's garden just outside the city. And the next day Aladdin took his uncle to the king's garden just outside the city. Then what his uncle has done, let's walk a little further. Uncle said that let's walk a little further. The day is fine and I would like to see the city from those hills. And what his uncle said, that the weather is very good and I would want to see the city from those hills. So now let's walk some more distance, he said like this. So they walked on till they came to a certain rocky place. There he made a little fire and taking out some red powder from his pocket, he dropped it in. And after walking some distance, what he has done, what his uncle has done, what they made a fire at that place and take out some red powder from his pocket and put in the fire. At once there was a great noise and a hole opened in front of them. And then what happened? As soon as he just made a fire over there and put some red powder in it, then suddenly a great noise was there. Great noise took place and a hole opened in front of them. Aladdin was afraid and tried to run, but his uncle held his arm and he could not move. Then what happened? Then when suddenly noise broke out, okay, then the Aladdin, he got scared and he was just trying to move from that place. He tried to run from that place, but his uncle was tightly hold his arm so that he could not move from that place. Now just see uncle, what uncle said, fool, don't try to run away. Just when I'm going to do you some good. What his uncle said, that fool, don't run from here. When I'm trying to do something good to you, go down that hole. And what uncle ordered? Uncle has given him the order that go down that hole. You will find some steps at the bottom leading to a cave. Then he gave him the direction that go like this and you will find one cave. Pass through it till you come to a garden of fruit trees. Near one of those trees there is a lamb that I born. Before you come back, you may take some fruits. Lastly, take this ring. It's a magic ring and will keep you safe. Then what he gave him the direction, in his direction he told him that go through these steps and later on you will find one cave and you have to pass through it till you came across a garden of fruits. Okay, fruit trees. Near one you may take some fruits, and from those trees you can take some fruits also. And lastly he gave one ring and he said that just keep this ring with you because it's a magic ring and this will keep you safe. Aladdin went into the earth. Unfortunately, Aladdin has to obey his uncle. He was having no other option. Everything looked just as uncle had said. He found the lamp and put it into his shirt. Then he went to take some fruit, but here was surprise. It was not fruit but fine jewels. He quickly filled his shirt with them and went back to the steps. So as his uncle has given him the direction that when you will go through this way you will get the cave, then you have to get inside it, you will get some trees or fruits, then you can take those fruits also from there, and later on you will find one lamp and you have to bring that magic lamp. And lastly he also gave him one magic ring. Okay, so in the same manner Aladdin had followed, and the same things he also find inside the earth. He found the lamp also, he kept inside it, he got some, and but at the place of the fruits he found some jewels, fine jewels, and he just filled his pocket with the jewels. Okay, so that's all for today. You have to do the reading till here. Back to the steps. Okay, back to the steps. Your today's work is you have to do the reading of the page number 33 and 34 till here, and in the next video I'll start explaining you from here. Okay, so that's all. Thank you and have a good day.